In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage files in Google Drive, specifically focusing on removing and permanently deleting files. Google Drive is a powerful tool for cloud storage, but knowing how to efficiently manage your files can help keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. So, let's dive right into it. First things first. Open up your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, simply log into your Google account using your credentials. Take a moment to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use multiple Google identities. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your files and folders on Google Drive. This is your main interface where you'll be managing your files. Now, let's say there's a file you want to get rid of. To do this, locate that file in your drive. Once you found it, give it a right click. This will bring up a menu of options for that specific file. In this context menu, look for the option that says Move to Trash. Click on it and you'll notice that the file is now placed in the trash. Moving a file to the trash isn't quite the same as permanently deleting it. Your file is now out of sight, but it still exists in your Google Drive. To make sure it's gone for good, you'll want to empty the trash. For this next step, navigate to the trash folder, usually found on the left-hand panel of your Drive interface. Once inside, you'll see all the files you've placed in the trash. Look for the empty trash button and click it. A warning message will typically appear to confirm that you really want to delete these files permanently. Confirm your decision and Google Drive will remove these files completely. After completing these steps, your targeted file is now permanently deleted and will no longer show up in any part of your Google Drive, including the activity section. Speaking of which, let's check this activity area. On the left panel, you should see an activity option. By clicking it, you can view all the past activities related to your account's file operations. However, our deleted file won't be visible here anymore because we've successfully gone through the process of purging it completely. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to clean up your Google Drive with ease, ensuring a more streamlined and efficient cloud storage experience. Don't forget, managing your digital workspace by regularly deleting unnecessary files can help keep your drive organized and make file retrieval a breeze. Thanks for watching and see you next time for more tips on managing your digital life.